Growcom is a peak body for horticulture in Queensland, and we basically try and help all the growers with a lot of their innovation and workplace health and safety. It's always been a very manual, what we call pick and pack industry. So we pick the fruit and veg and then it's packed in and sent off to the customer. There's a lot of automation now coming in, where a lot of that will be done by robots and basically mechanical harvesters. And we basically need to change our training and our recruitment strategies around that. So we'll be looking for digital skills, mechatronic skills, marketing skills, the whole gambit, food safety skill sets. So there's still the broad skills, if you like, but they're just tailored towards our industry as it emerges. People really want to know where their food comes from, and we're starting to have that digital roadmap already start to be developed in our industry, and that's why the skill sets are so required. Those digital skill sets will come into play right here and now. So if we start at the farm level, so drones, driverless tractors, semi-autonomous vehicles, vision systems that tell us our soil and our variability and how we irrigate can all be done automatically.
The agricultural industry is something that I've always been passionate about. I would really like to be able to help out any way I possibly can. I do a lot of quality checks. I check pallets, I check fruit. That all used to be done in a handwritten folder. It's now done on an app on the phone. It's a lot more efficient, a lot less labour intensive, makes life a lot easier for us. I think we're really moving up, using the tablet a lot more. I think technology is really advancing quickly, and it won't be long before we'll have even more automated processes for us